what are the major parts in the pivot table and how that is looks through. So in the pivot table part, first is there is a drop report filter fields here. In this part we have to actually drop the filters which we want to have the filters in our total pivot table analysis. Secondly, this part is of the column, drop column fields here. Whatever we want in the columns into our analysis, that is to come here. Then here we have to drop rows field, what things we have to get into the rows so that the analysis can be done very properly. And here we have to drop values. Whatever the values, like for example, if we are working in this right now, if we want to have for the absences, so if we want that absences in the value, we can actually put the absences in the value. Yeah, even if we check into the columns, then in the columns it will be number of absences that comes into the columns. Same if we go into the row, it will be showing this the way absences here, but it is not the total count of the absences. Now first, for example, if I just put absences here, you will find that the number of one absences are 14, number of two absences are 42 and all. Same if I just put this onto the filter, it will be again this type of total filter will be there. Now in that filter we can actually check whichever we size side, or whichever the number we want to have. So for example, here I'm just selecting one here, and it will be showing for the one. So that way this is the basics design of the pivot table which I shown you right now.